In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an author name block to WordPress easily. If you've been looking to personalize your blog or website by crediting authors for their content in a seamless manner, this tutorial will guide you through this process step by step. It's quick and easy, and in just 5 minutes you'll have the author name block right where it belongs. Let's start by heading over to wordpress.com. This is your go-to platform for creating websites that look great and function excellently. Once you're there, you'll want to log in to access your site's dashboard. Typically, you can spot the login button near the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. You're just a few clicks away from enhancing your site. Once you've initiated the login, you'll see the option to continue with Google. This is a convenient feature as it saves you from the hassle of remembering yet another password. So simply click continue with Google. When you do this, it'll prompt you to choose the Google account that you want to access your WordPress site with. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your WordPress site. Now that we're in, focus your attention on the right panel of your dashboard. Do you see the section called Quick Links? Perfect. That's where you want to click on Edit Site. This will take you to your site editor, the heart of customizing your WordPress experience. Moving forward, we're going to add a new block to your site. Look up at the top left corner of your site editor. There you'll find an Add button, which is your gateway to enhance the look and feel of your website. Clicking it opens up a world of blocks to choose from for your site. In the search bar that appears, start typing author name. As you type, you'll notice the options narrowing down to what we're looking for. Once you see author name pop up in your search results, click on it. This action inserts the author name block into your site layout. Position it where you want on your page, and voila, you've now added a personalized touch that acknowledges the creators behind your content. And that's it. You've successfully added the author name block to your WordPress site. By following these easy steps, not only have you improved your site's design, but also enhanced your reader's experience by giving credit where it's due. Keep exploring the amazing features WordPress has to offer, and welcome to a more personalized and professional looking website.